21. When the red clock gets to 0, that is the true time, okay? The red countdown clock, 24, 23, 22. 10 seconds later, you should see it coming off the launch pad in the video. At this point, it'd be best to look that way.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff.
Oh my God, Rusty!
Look over there. There it goes. There it goes over there. It's on the screen too. It's up and running. Wait for the sound. The sound will get here very soon. Don't be worried. It will not hurt you. The rocket is going to the east over the ocean. Smoke you see up there is merely the atmosphere being vaporized by the engines. That is normal.
May 11th, thank you for Mother's Day and Raphael's birthday.
Successfully achieved that major milestone of every rocket launch. We're actually decreasing the thrust in our engines a little bit around the time of execute to minimize some of those forces. Coming up about 50 seconds from now, there will be 3 events in quick succession. The main engines will cut off, the 2 stages will separate, and the second stage will start its Merlin vacuum engine. What you heard is just beginning its own chill procedure.
Just about a minute or so, the stage disconnect on the screen here, and then you'll see the engine of the second stage turn on, and it'll continue to carry the satellite. The core stage, remember, the bottom part is going to attempt to land on a barge in the ocean about 8 minutes after the launch. It'll be landing on a barge in the ocean about 350 miles away. Side, you can see the core stage, and those are grid fins. They come out so it can help guide the big core stage of the rocket back to land on the barge. The right picture of the upper stage engine that's continuing to carry the satellite. There you see the fairings falling away behind. They're light, they're made of carbon fiber and aluminum honeycomb, but they still represent excess mass, so we no longer need them once we get out of the atmosphere. All right, coming up in about 4 minutes on the left-hand side there, the left-hand picture, you should be able to see the core stage beginning and landing on the barge, and you'll continue to watch that upper stage on the right keep burning the engine, carrying the satellite higher and higher.
Separation. Everything's going great right now. Falcon 9 is looking pretty good. Right now, let's go over what we can see on your screen on the left-hand side. That's a camera mounted on the top of the first stage of the rocket, looking down towards the 9 Merlin engines at the bottom. In that view, you can see those titanium grid fins. They slowly deployed just after stage separation. And those grid fins will allow the Falcon 9 first stage to guide itself back down towards the drone ship. Of course, I still love it. You can see brief flashes of those cold gas thrusters as they guide, provide additional control authority for that first stage. On the right-hand side of your screen is a camera mounted at the very bottom of the second stage, looking down towards the Merlin vacuum nozzle. Of course, at the very other end of that stage is the Bangabandhu Satellite 1. Right now, that Merlin vacuum engine is glowing red hot with those exhaust gases as it propels Bangabandhu Satellite 1 into its final geostationary transfer orbit.